So it's December 31st, 2015, and as I look back on 2015, it was an awesome year. I had the idea for Dirt Bike Channel as I was sitting in my bed on New Year's Eve last year, 1 year ago. I'd put out a couple of videos in 2013. I'd put out even, maybe 6 or 7 more in 2014, and I had one of them that was actually pretty popular. And so as I'm sitting there in bed, shortly after New Year's, I guess it was on January 1st of this year, I just jotted down about 6 or 7 video ideas that I kind of wanted to get into and make some videos of. So I started putting out some of those videos that I had jotted down on that little notepad that night. And I went from having 0 subscribers to now having a little bit more than 15,000 subscribers in 12 months. So I just wanted to thank you guys for all the support that you've had and the success that we've had this year. And I wanted to take a look back at some of the fun things that we did in 2015. So I plan on doing a lot more videos in 2016 if you guys keep liking, sharing, and subscribing. So without further ado, let's check out what happened in 2015. When God came down from heaven and personally hand-delivered the 2-stroke motor to us, and we used the pliers and we arced off.